3.8% of businesses make more than 500,000. That's 500,000 in revenue with an average profit margin of 9% leaves just 45,000. The average salary in the UK is 33,000, so it's hardly worth the risk. There's 4 steps that we follow to get into that 3.8%, and the reason I believe most businesses don't make more than 500,000 in revenue is that they don't have a predictable and scalable marketing and sales funnel. Here are the 4 steps that we use to grow over 500,000. So the first was we figured out how to connect with more clients. How can we connect with more people? The second is we leveled up what they saw when they were considering to work with us after we connected with them. So our marketing material, our websites. Number 3 was we figured out how to convert more of them. We used a blueprint to convert more of them. And then number 4, most important, we delighted those customers. So they became our step 1 and helped us connect with more people through referrals. These are the 4 steps that we use to scale to multiple 6 and even 7 figures in revenue. Save this video and work through these 4 steps to increase your revenue and make owning a business worthwhile.